In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zendesk with your website. This powerful tool can significantly enhance your customer service experience, allowing you to connect with your users more efficiently. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started with the integration process. The first step is to open your admin center. To do this, log into your Zendesk account and navigate to the admin center from your main dashboard. This is where all the magic begins, and you'll have access to plenty of options to customize your support features. Once you're in the admin center, the next thing you want to do is select your widget type. On the sidebar, look for the Channels section, and there you'll find two options: messaging and the classic web widget. If you're looking for a modern approach that supports automated replies and AI bots, choose messaging. However, if you prefer a classic setup, go with the classic web widget. The choice really depends on what fits best with your website style and your customer support needs. After you've made your selection, it's time to copy the integration code, which is also referred to as the Zendesk snippet. To do this, click on the Add to Website option. Zendesk will generate a small snippet of JavaScript code. Make sure you copy this code to your clipboard because you'll need it in the next step. Now that you've got the code ready, it's time to paste it into your site. This part will depend on how your website is constructed. If you have a custom HTML site, you will need to paste the code right before the closing body tag on your pages. This ensures that the widget loads properly each time someone visits your site. If you're working with a WordPress site, it gets a little easier. You can use a plugin like Insert Headers and Footers to drop this code directly into your site's header or footer script settings. This method is straightforward and doesn't require you to tinker too much with the back end of your site. Once you've successfully pasted the code, it's crucial to save your changes and refresh your live website. This is the moment of truth. If everything went well, you should see the Zendesk Support Chat widget appearing in the bottom corner of your page. This means that your integration was successful. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Zendesk with your website. By following these simple steps, you've just taken a significant step towards enhancing your customer service capabilities. Remember, having an efficient support system can make all the difference in customer satisfaction and retention. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more instructional content. Thank you for watching, and happy integrating.